Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to delete all search history on QR code scanner. Because sometime we scanned some QR code and we want to delete search history. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So firstly open the QR code scanner. So after this you can see three lines on the top left corner, and here you can see history option. So click on history, and then you can see three lines. So just click on it and click on delete option. So when you will click on delete options, all history will be deleted. So if you want to delete one by one, so just click on three lines on the right side. So here you can see delete option. So click on delete. So you can see this search is deleted. So if you want to delete all search history, so from the upper side you can see three lines. So just click on three lines or three dot. So after this you can see delete option. So just click on delete. So after this here you can see confirm to delete. So click on OK. So you can see all is done. Watch history or search history is deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete search history of the QR code scanner. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.